Hello friends, welcome to all of you in Electro Classes. Myself Nikhil Bunkar, and today we are going to start our next lecture in the series of current electricity chapter, and our today's topic is drift velocity. In previous lecture we discussed about the thermal velocity, or the conductor placed at room temperature, or the conductor present in the absence of electric field. So what happened in the conductor? So there is no electric current when the conductor is placed at room temperature or placed in the absence of electric field. Because of in the absence of electric field or at the room temperature, there is a random motion of the electron is to be observed. And because of the random motion, there is no alignment of the electrons properly, and therefore there is no electric current in the case of previous lecture. But now we are going to connect the potential or a battery across the ends of the conductor. So let us see with the help of diagram. So as you can see in the diagram, there is a L length of conductor which is connected with the help of a battery of V potential. Okay, both the ends of the conductor is to be connected with the help of a battery. You can see in the diagram. Okay, so this is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, so there is a potential difference is to be created, and due to this potential difference there is an electric field is generated. Electric field is created across the ends of the conductor. Okay, and the direction of the electric field is such that, as you can see in the diagram, this is the direction of the electric field. Okay, now what happened? The electrons which are in random motion in the case of thermal velocity now align in the particular direction because of there is a force created by the potential. Okay, as we connect the potential, then all the electrons inside the conductor which are in random motion, now they all are aligned towards the positive potential of the battery. जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस कंडक्टर में जो रैंडम मोशन कर रहे थे, अब जैसे ही बैटरी को हमने कनेक्ट कर दिया, सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल की तरफ यहाँ पे अलाइन हो रहे हैं. इनकी डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगी, जो कि आप डायग्राम में देख पा रहे हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की डायरेक्शन कुछ इस तरफ हो जाएगी, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो इन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव देयर इज अट्रैक्शन. इन पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एंड द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल देयर इज अट्रैक्शन फोर्स. Okay, so all the electrons are aligned towards the positive potential by a particular force. Okay, and the value of the force or the magnitude of the force is given by like that, F equals to minus of EE, and here E is the electric field. Okay, why there is a minus sign? Because the direction of the electric field and the propagation of the electron both are in opposite direction, as you can see in the diagram. Okay, here the direction of the electric field is like that, and the motion or the drifting of electron is opposite to the direction of the electric field, and that's why there is a minus sign. And the magnitude by which the electrons are attracted towards the positive potential is given by F equals to minus of EE, and here E is the charge of electron, and that is whose value is 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to minus of 19 coulomb. And here E is the electric field. Okay, now next we will see what is the acceleration on electron. Okay, what is the acceleration? So here what, according to Newton's law, we all know F equals to ma. Okay, here m is the mass and a is the acceleration and F equals to force. So what we can write, F a equals to F divided by m. Okay, and here the value of F is given, that is minus of EE. So we can write here A equals to minus of EE divided by m, and this is the acceleration on the electron. Okay, so now in the diagram, as we see that electric field is applied in this direction and the propagation or the motion of the electron is opposite to the electric field, so there is an electric current flows because of the potential difference is to be created. Why potential difference is created? Because number of electrons are aligned towards the positive direction. Now number of electrons are aligned in a particular direction. Okay, so there is an electric current flows from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery, and this is the direction of electric field and also the direction of electric current. So the direction of electric current and the electric field both are same, as you can see in the diagram, but the direction of electron is opposite to the direction of electric current. So in every circuit, the direction of electric current and the direction of electron both are opposite. Okay, next, the direction of electron is opposite to the electric current and electric field. जैसा कि हमने कहा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो डायरेक्शन है वो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दोनों की डायरेक्शन के ऑपोजिट होती है. Yes. Okay, so when we apply an electric field across the conductor, the randomly moving electron experience an electrical force towards the higher potential. जैसा कि हमने कहा कि जैसे ही हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे ही हम बैटरी कनेक्ट कर देते हैं, क्या होता है, जो कि रैंडमली मूविंग जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंडक्टर के अंदर प्रेजेंस थे, वो सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, एंड दैट इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स इज गिवन बाय माइनस ऑफ ई, जो कि हमने देखा अभी. ठीक है, और इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स अप्लाई होता है उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर और वो हायर पोटेंशियल ऑफ द बैटरी की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ इट सीम्स दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन विल मूव विद एक्सेलरेटिंग एंड इट्स वेलोसिटी विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. ऐसा देखा गया है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो स्पीड है, वेलोसिटी है, वो इंक्रीज होती जाती है बिकॉज वो एक्सेलरेशन करते हैं, बट रियल में ऐसा नहीं होता है. वाई? बिकॉज during the motion of electron towards the higher potential, there is a collision, there is a continuous collision of the electrons. There is a continuous collision between number of electrons. That's why its velocity keep on decreasing, not increasing. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन हायर पोटेंशियल की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द फोर्स, तब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो आपस में कोलाइड करते हैं, कोलाइजन करते हैं, और कोलाइजन के कारण उनकी जो वेलोसिटी है उसमें डिक्रीमेंट होता रहता है, न कि इंक्रीमेंट. सो अगर हम डिस्कस करें थर्मल वेलोसिटी और ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो थर्मल वेलोसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है as comparison to drift velocity. The magnitude of the thermal velocity is about 10 raised to 5 meter per second. थर्मल वेलोसिटी का मैग्नीट्यूड 10 रेज़ टू 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड होता है, और उस रेस्पेक्ट में हम ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी की बात करें तो वो बहुत कम होता है. चलो, सो ओवरऑल इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्स विद अ स्मॉल कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. तो सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से मोशन करते हैं इन द डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट टू द अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. क्या होता है, सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल की तरफ अलाइन हो जाते हैं और during the motion they collide each other, and that's why overall they maintain a constant velocity. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं वो ओवरऑल एक कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी को मेंटेन करते हुए पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल की तरफ मोशन करते हैं, एंड जिस वेलोसिटी से, जिस कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ मोशन करते हैं, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर मोशन, दैट पर्टिकुलर वेलोसिटी इज नॉन एज ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. तो हम देखते हैं, दैट मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल ड्रिफ्ट टूवर्ड द हायर पोटेंशियल अलॉन्ग विद देयर रैंडम motion. Thus, every electron will have a net velocity towards the higher potential. So हमने जैसा कि कहा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल की तरफ मोशन करते हैं. क्यों मोशन करते हैं? क्योंकि हमने बैटरी को कनेक्ट कर दिया है. जैसे ही हमने बैटरी को कनेक्ट किया, सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो कि कंडक्टर में अवेलेबल थे वो पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल की तरफ मोशन करेंगे, और ड्यूरिंग द मोशन वो हर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आपस में कोलाइड करते हुए वहाँ पे मोशन करेंगे. तो उनकी जो नेट वेलोसिटी है वो डिक्रीमेंट होती रहती है, और उनकी नेट वेलोसिटी एक कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी हो जाती है, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी बाय विच इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ड्रिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल इज नॉन एज ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. Okay, so now this is the short definition of the drift velocity. as you can see, the drift velocity is the average velocity attained by charged particles such as electrons in a material due to electric field. So as we connect the electric field across the ends of the conductor, the electrons inside the conductor are aligned towards the higher potential by a particular force, and the force by which the electrons are aligned towards the positive potential is known as drift velocity. जिस velocity से, the constant velocity से, जिस particular velocity से electrons higher potential की तरफ align होते हैं, उस particular constant velocity को, उस average velocity को हम कहते हैं drift velocity. Okay. Now we will see the expression of drift velocity. अब हम drift velocity का expression देखने जा रहे हैं. So as you can see in the diagram, there is a conductor is connected with the battery. The same case is here. All the electrons now align towards the positive potential. Okay, and that's why there is a electric current flows to the opposite direction to the electron. Okay, and there is a drift velocity of the electron. So what is the value of, what is the magnitude of drift velocity? Okay, so now we are going to find the expression of the drift velocity. Okay, so at initial condition, velocity of electron when there is no electric field is applied, and in that case the initial velocity is what? U average equals to 0, as you see in the previous lecture. So when we not connect the electric field or a battery across the ends of the conductor, or when we put any conductor in the absence of electric field, or when we put the conductor at a room temperature when there is no electric field, in that case there is net velocity is 0, and that's why there is no electric current in the case of thermal velocity. Okay, so here what, the thermal velocity or the average velocity is 0 when there is no electric field across the ends of the conductor. Now after electric field applied, the velocity is given by drift velocity. So जैसा कि हमने अभी देखा कि जैसे ही हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को अप्लाई कर देते हैं across the ends of the conductor, then the electrons are attracted towards the positive potential by a particular force, and the velocity or the average net velocity by which the electrons are drifted towards the higher potential is known as drift velocity. Okay, so when we connect the electric field, then electrons are drifted towards the positive potential, and that particular velocity is known as drift velocity. Okay, so by Newton's first equation of motion, ये आपने क्लास 11th में देखा है, न्यूटन के मोशन की फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है? V equal to U plus AT, and here V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is the time taken. Okay, but here the initial velocity is 0. यहाँ पर initial velocity का magnitude कितना है? 0, जो कि हमने भी देखा. एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? हमने सेकेंड इक्वेशन में क्या देखा कि व्हेन वी अप्लाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, देन वेलोसिटी विल बिकम्स द ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. So the final velocity V becomes Vd, and Vd is the drift, D for drift, and the initial velocity is 0 as we see in the first equation. So initial velocity is 0 and the final velocity V becomes Vd, drift velocity, because when we connect the electric field, then the velocity of the electrons is the drift velocity, and T is equals to tau. This is the average time taken by the electrons. Tau. Okay, so now we put all the three terms in the second equation. So what happened? Vd, in the place of V we write Vd, in the place of U we write 0 because of the initial velocity is 0, or in the place of acceleration, and acceleration is given by, हमने previous equation में देख लिया है, acceleration is given by minus E by m. ओके, जो कि हमने प्रीवियस टर्म में देख लिया है. ये रही हमारी टर्म, हमने एक्सेलरेशन को ये देखा है माइनस ई बाय एम. ओके, सो नाउ इन द प्लेस ऑफ टी, टाउ, दैट इज द एवरेज टाइम, टाउ. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. Okay, so Vd is equals to minus of E by m tau, and here Vd is the drift velocity, E is the charge of value, and that is what 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to minus 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to minus of 19 coulomb. E is the applied electric field, m is the mass of electron, and mass of electron is 9.1 multiplied 10 raised to minus of 31 kilogram. Okay, and tau is the relaxation time. Okay, this is the relaxation time. Okay, so this is all about the drift velocity. I hope you enjoy this lecture. Thank you.